Hello everyone. In the previous video, we have learned about the British and the French East India Company. Today, we will going to understand about the transition of British from traders to rulers and political power. So, the political power was falling into pieces and the British East India Company planned to expand in India. At that time, the Mughal power was breaking into pieces. They are started disintegrated. So, at that time, the British East India Company to have control over India, and they thought, why don't they set up their territories in India? Now, let's just understand how Bengal was captured. So, if we talk about Bengal, so at that time, Bengal included some parts of Bihar, Orissa and Bengal. So, the British established their trading post at the Fort William, which is located in Calcutta, now presently as Kolkata, in order to have power. The British thought that they can have power by controlling the Fort William, which is located in Calcutta. So, they established their trading post over there. A Mughal emperor, Farrukhsiyar, has given freedom to the East India Company that they don't have to pay any taxes on trade items, that is import and export. That means the East India Company now trade without paying any taxes to India. So obviously it was a loss to India. At that time, there was not only the British East India Company who was trading with India, there were other European countries also. So, in order to avoid confusion on their trade items, the East India Company issued their passes for their goods in order to become tax-free. These passes are called dastaks. The Nawab of Bengal, Alivardi Khan, did not like the concept of dastaks and he tried to put an end on the dastaks. After some time, Alivardi Khan's grandson Sirajuddaulah started the taxes again on the trade items. Moreover, he also gave warning to the British East India Company for stop protecting their trading posts. So it was Sirajuddaulah who kind of revolted against the British East India Company for their dastaks. From this step of Sirajuddaulah, the British got angry and they attacked and captured Calcutta under the leadership of Robert Clive. This is how the Bengal was captured. So, in today's video, we have learned how Bengal was captured. I hope this video was useful for you. Thank you. Have a nice day.